Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in ODI Bets account. ODI Bets is an online sports betting platform. To log into ODI Bets account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.odibets.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of ODI Bets. Now, here to log into your ODI Bets, you can see login option on the top right section. Click on login option. With this, now here you can see the login box. Now, to log into your ODI Bets account, you need to first enter your phone number on the given box. With this, you need to enter your correct password of your account. Now, if you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Password option and continue with the further process of resetting your password. Now, after entering all your credentials, click on Login to ODI Bets option. With this, you will be able to sign into your ODI Bets account. This is how we can log in ODI Bets account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.